Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Pro Trader and Plus and GDP with unemployment claims. And welcome to everyone that's streaming with us on YouTube. This is our stream of the week. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the trading director for 10-Minute Trades. Please remember all the trades we discuss are for educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor. So please. I hate them and I like them, depending on the day. I canceled my out of tier and I'm going to trail if I get the opportunity. So I didn't get the opportunity to trail, but I canceled my out of tier, grabbed a quick 290. I'm positive that I was too impatient on that. Look how it tested the low and reversed off the low. I'm so sorry that we didn't discuss that before the trade. Now I want to just jump off a bridge because I knew I was moving my stop too soon. That's a $500 trade easily if you stayed in. But be careful, okay? Be careful. So let's get a roll call. Ali, very good, very good, very good. Look, folks, the testing on the trap was great. Now, I didn't watch bonds. Who traded bonds? Who traded bonds? MGC didn't fill Langford. What were your... Now, see why you have to be so careful when you take a profit on a trap trade? It's just sometimes so unknown what the price is going to do after the news. Let's go over the news for a second. We'll take a roll call in a minute.